I know many of you judged me. You said I went too far, but you don't know my story. And today, I'm finally ready to tell it. My husband and I were married for 10 years. I gave that marriage everything. I worked day and night just to make sure our home was successful. I trusted him. And I trusted my maid. I started noticing she had changed. She became disrespectful. She answered me with attitude. She stopped listening to me. I thought she was just becoming stubborn. I had no idea. My husband had been sleeping with my maid. He got her pregnant. And then he secretly paid her bride price and married her while she continued living in my house as my maid. Tell me, how wicked can a man be? I didn't even know the woman serving me food was already my husband's wife. And then people still tell me that I went too far. You haven't heard 1/10 of what I went through. If you had, you might have done worse. What she did to my children.
So today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a realistic image to video. This video you just watched is made by AI, but if I don't tell you it's AI, you will think that it is real person talking about her story, right? So today I'm going to be teaching you how to go about it in details, how to make money, and the free tools you're going to use to generate something like this. So this video you watch, I use CapCut AI. With CapCut, I did that, but I'm going to use YouTube Short AI like this here to create something similar like that. For me personally, because of the quality and because of the consistency and the flow, I prefer to use CapCut Pro, which is a paid version, right? So, but you that are just starting, you can use this YouTube Short to generate something like this, and you can be making money from it. So I will take you down in a well detailed tutorial and practicalize everything. And if you have more questions, you can put it on the comment section. But if you want me to tutor you to get better, you can send me an email. The email is in my bio. It is not free. So now, without being more said, if this is what you want to be seeing often, I remain Vibe with Deborah, your number one coach. Just click on the subscribe button. Let's go to my studio. Ungwanu, let's go. If you don't have ChatGPT, let's assume you're a beginner, you don't have ChatGPT, go to your Play Store or your Apple Store to download ChatGPT. It just looks like this here that you're seeing on this place. So after that, you just open your ChatGPT. When you open it, it will just go to chat. It will take you to chat here. So when you open your chat, now there are two things. So because as a beginner, you're just starting, you want to start creating AI story or any story of your choice. Now maybe you don't have a story idea, you don't know what to say and every other thing. We are going to tell ChatGPT what you want because you are confused. It's going to guide you on the story, but you just like, you don't even know the title, you don't know everything. So let's go in the flow of someone that don't know anything. You don't even know what to do, you are just confused, you don't know the story, you don't know anything. But if you have the story, you know the story in your head, you know how you want to go, you're going to just tell ChatGPT this is it. ChatGPT is going to help you fine-tune it. But now I am going with someone that don't have idea, you want to learn this, so just watch. I want to say a story, but I don't know the title to give. I just have it, it's just scattered. So it's just a mother on a dying bed wanting the holy child, that's the son, to marry her best friend's daughter. So I want a dialogue between the mother and the son. The mother is aged 55, a dark lady, precisely from Nigeria. The son too is handsome, 30 years old, precisely from Nigeria, is about 6 feet tall. The mother is about 5.5. They live averagely. So I want a title, I want a dialogue between the mother and the son, like a 1 minute video. So now let's see what ChatGPT is going to give to us. Let's see, because you don't have any idea on your head. And mind you, when the ChatGPT generate the script, you read the script because you are human. Read it and see for yourself how it's going to, is it making sense, is the words making sense, is it something that you'll be able to react or you'll be able to enjoy. Do you understand? So this has the making of an emotional family drama, since the central conflict is a dying mother final with which the title should create curiosity and emotion. So ChatGPT is already telling you how it's going to go. So here's a few title: my mother's last wish. Hey, witch, my mother's last wish. Promise me you will marry her before I close my eyes. The promise I never was. So you pick your title. She has given you like 6 or 7 titles, so you pick. If I want to do now, I will just put my mother's last wish, or promise me you will marry her. Do you understand? You can pick whatever you want to pick. So now you say promise me you, so you said my favorite, promise me you marry. Say, sure, you can see, because you have to pick a title. Let me not even go into details. So now he said promise me you marry. So hospital room, a modest private ward, a 55 years old Nigerian woman lies weekly. So he has told you everything. You read it. The mother weekly, the son is Chinedu. So I was specific about a Nigerian man, a Nigerian. So you can put your own. If you are watching me from any other country, you can put your own. But I wanted it to feel like when people watch it, to know that, oh, this is how Nigeria really, how it is. Like, do you understand? So he said, Chinedu, come closer. Son, I'm here, mama. Please don't talk too much. You'll be fine. Don't lie to comfort me. I know the time is near. Like that. That's how mothers, when they are doing that and all that. So he has given you everything you want. Do you get? So now the next thing we are going to do now, because we are going to get our image. Without this, is if you don't have your image to video, you will not be able to get all this thing right. So all this thing needs to come in as a video, like people are going to see it and feel it, right? So now you're not going to go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT this. So listen attentively, because now we are using YouTube Short. If you're using YouTube Short, you have to use the 9.16. I don't even know whether it's the vertical or something, just the way for YouTube format. That is how you're going to use. If you use the image of the long form, it's not going to give you anything, because don't forget we are using YouTube Short as our image to video, and that is the requirement they want. Do you get? So listen how I'm going to say it now. Mind you can type, but I like using my voice because it saves time, it's faster, and I'll be able to be more expressive. Do you understand? So now we have gotten the script, it is well detailed. Now I want the image to match with the storyline, with the story that we have created in the hospital, the dying mother, the son, and where they're having their conversation and every other thing, to give it the emotion of what we have scripted to the image. And I want a 9.16 YouTube Short format for this image. Note the mother is 55, she's a Nigerian, the son is 30, is 6 feet tall, and is also in Nigeria. So I want that look of a Nigerian and a Nigerian mother and son. So now let's wait for our image. Let it generate the image. So if you need it faster, try plus. Yes, my subscription just got finished, so you just get plus to make it faster. So you can have a free version of ChatGPT, you can have a free version of YouTube Short. So everything is free, so there is no excuse for you. While I'm doing this, I want you to see that you can use free apps to generate this. That is why I have not subscribed yet. You can use free app to generate this. Your ChatGPT can be free, and you can also, your ChatGPT is free, your YouTube Short is free to generate a video that you can post and start making money from it. Just be creative. That is the essence of this tutorial. Do you understand? So now we have gotten our image. So this is it. God is still on the in control. See the whole hospital, whatever. Look at it. This is like a Nigerian handsome guy. This is the mother and everything. So he's giving everything well, right? So now what we are going to do now, we are going to just save it. So we're saving it. So our image is saved now. What we are not going to do, we're going to go back, because we're going to go back here and copy. Don't copy too much, you just copy small. Copy here so that it will give us because if you go and copy too much now, you will not get. So now what we are going to do, we are now going to go back to YouTube. For you to watch this tutorial, definitely you have YouTube, right? So if you don't have YouTube, I don't think you can watch this video. So you have to go to YouTube, because the next place is YouTube we are going to. So you go to YouTube, so you click on this star here. Then when you click on this star, it will take you, you have create video, photo to video, and create music. So we are doing photo to video. So you go to your gallery and pick the video you want to upload on the shot. So when you say bring this video to live and everything. So now we are going to put our script here. This is where the work starts, so that you will not go and make mistake. Now we need to say mother lying down, so that this will know that his mother that is lying down. Son wearing black, so that the AI will know. So now mother lying down, Chinedu, because most time they will Chinedu, come closer. Sorry, I'm here, mama. So you bring this one here, so that it will not be, mama, please don't talk too much, you'll be fine. Mother lying down sick. You can put, you just have to put something lying down sick, so that it will know the character, so that mother will not be saying what son is saying, son will not be saying what mother is saying. So mother wearing black. Okay, so please don't talk too much. Mother lying down. Don't lie to comfort me. I know my time is near. So this is okay, it's not too, I'll be fine. Mother lying down. So let's now, you press this arrow, enter. So let's wait for it. Most time it's taking like maybe 30 seconds. If your network is very fast, 30 seconds, 20 seconds, 10 seconds. If your network is very fast, if your network is not fast, you can use 1 minute, you can use 2 minutes. So it depends on your network. So let's wait for it. Let's wait. I don't want to edit this part, so that you will see how long it took, right, and what it will take. So this is it. So now it's like 20 seconds, 15 seconds.
Chinedu, come closer.
I am here, mama. Please don't talk too much, you will be fine.
Don't lie to comfort me. I know my time is near. Chinedu, come closer.
I am here, mama. Please don't.
Tell me now, how did you see this? And I forgot to add, but because we have said in Nigeria, so the Chinedu everything is already given, but normally just put in Nigerian accent, so they will not be giving you spray in this kind of setting. So but it's okay, you can see it now. You just take this video to CapCut and edit, color grade it, increase the just to play on it, and you've gotten your video. Because you can do like a 1 minute video, come again, do another one and all that. You get what I'm saying? So I'm going to do the second one again, so that we'll be able to see. So when you come here, you save it. It's too long already, it's already 30 minutes. So even if I do it, so let's just go with this already. You've learned it, it's very simple. That is how you can get that. Okay, now the video you just watched, I use CapCut Pro, right? So like I said in my video, that I will use this to generate it. Okay, so let's go back. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long, so there is no need for us doing that anymore. Just try and use this method I have told you. So in the next video, that we can also do CapCut and Grok at the same time for us to learn. So if you've learned something, just say thank you in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.